It is the last day of August here in 2023. Hey, everybody, I'm Wave Storm Tracking Team Meteorologist Ryan Hoke here with Hokey weather facts for the week. We had a very rare event happen Thursday morning when Category 3 Hurricane Idalia made landfall in the Big Bend of Florida, because before that point, before Thursday morning at 7:45 a.m., no major hurricane on record had ever entered Apalachee Bay in the Big Bend of Florida, that big red area you see there on the map to the right. And that has changed now with Idalia making that Category 3 landfall. Our thoughts go out to all the folks affected by that storm, both on the coast and inland across the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida. This has kind of been a cool summer here in Louisville. We've been running about half degree cooler than normal here in the city through August 30th. Meteorological summer, which is June 1st through August 31st, is the period that we measure against here. And of course, tomorrow we'll have that final designation because meteorological summer ends in, less than about 10 hours from now. So we still need to get through the next few hours and average out that temperature. But nonetheless, through August 30th, through yesterday, not only was it half a degree cooler than normal, but still that ranks us in the top 40 warmest summers on record of the last 151 that we have on record. So what gives? How can we be below normal but be kind of in that top 40 designation? Well, that normal, that below normal, the normal that we're comparing to is from 1990 to 2020. So that's kind of a late period in those 151 years worth of records. If we were to compare it against the entire lineage of records going back to 1873, this would probably be an above normal summer. But because the summers have been getting warmer over the last few decades, what we call normal, those 30-year averages that the National Weather Service uses, those have been progressively getting a little bit warmer than normal to catch up. So kind of a little bit of a definition change there that we have to explain. Even though we're cooler than normal, normal is kind of recent, and in the grand scheme of things, things have actually been pretty warm compared to the 1870s. I'm Wave Storm Tracking Team Meteorologist Ryan Hoke.